Want to blur a video in 5 seconds using Canva? Here's how. Today, you'll learn how to blur a video in Canva in under a minute. Open Canva and start a new design. You can use a custom size or a template that matches your project. Upload your video through the Uploads panel, then drag it onto the canvas. Adjust its size and position until it fits the layout you want. Now, to hide or blur a section, go to the Elements panel and search for shapes. Choose a rectangle, circle, or any shape that works for the area you want to cover. Drag the shape over your video and resize it to match the section you want hidden. Once the shape is in place, click on the color box to change its fill. You can choose a solid color for a strong cover or select the gradient option for a softer, more blended look. For a blur-like effect, lower the shape's transparency until it partially reveals what's underneath but still obscures it enough to protect privacy. You can adjust the gradient direction to create a professional overlay effect. When you're satisfied, play your video in the preview mode to check that the overlay stays exactly where it needs to be. Once everything looks right, click Download and choose your preferred video format.